Well, good morning everyone. It's Saturday morning. We've come out here. This is Hee, and we're just going out for a little snapper fish. I got Sean here. He's never really kayaked before, or kayak fished before, I should say. So we're not going to go far. We're just going to look around. I got no sounder. It's real basic setup. We've got the tandem, so we're just real basic setup. A couple of soft bait rods, stick bait rod, and we're basically probably just going to look for working schools of fish and see what we can find. Okay, what have I got here? Little snapper. It's going to be pretty small, I'd say. Yep. Oh, come on, buddy. Come on, buddy. Not far away from legal size snapper, but I'm sure we can do better than that. Off you go. Okay, so this is a snapper, I'd say. And by the way it's running, I think it's going to be an alright one. I'm hoping it's a snapper anyway. It's sort of doing all the head shakes and everything that we would expect to see from a snapper. So we might have our first eater with a bit of luck. Oh yes! And Sean's hooked up as well. Awesome.
Yeah.
Oh, yep, mine's a snapper. He's not a very big one, but he fought hard for his size. He fought really hard for his size. I don't even think this is going to be a legal snapper. Hope yours is. Because we do want to take home a feed today. Probably is. It's underneath this school. Right, so here we are. He's probably legal, but I'm not going to take the chance. I don't have a measure, so I'm just going to put him back. Off he goes. What do you got? Snapper? Yep. Keeper, maybe. Oh yeah, that'll be a keeper. Okay, swing it. Oh, swing it back to me and I'll deal with it if you like. Just in the water, just swing it, slide it back to me. Awesome. That'll be a keeper.
Keeper, is he?
Yeah, he's bigger than mine. Awesome, well done.
Man, she's scary. Stoked.
On the board. We're on the board. Alright.
Let's put it away.
Okay, Sean's hooked up again. He's got the hang of it now. Keep the pressure on him. Oh, he's got a decent one.
Oh,
what is it? Big kawa, is it? Oh, it's kawa, yeah.
this is the car.
Okay.
Oh, I put him in a fight, I suppose.
Yeah, good fight.
Yeah.
Good fight. You want to keep him or not?
Nah. You don't want him there?
No. What you got this time, Sean? Snapper.
You reckon?
Little fella.
He could be, hopefully. Let's hope.
I just got a carway. Oh, no, it could be a snapper, I suppose.
Yeah, we've got a snapper. We've got a snapper.
I think mine might be a snapper too. I've got a little bit of a feeling.
Sorry, mate.
No, you're all good.
Maybe.
It's got to be a carway, it's got to be. Nice.
Catch and release.
Oh, this might be a snapper. It's a snapper, yes. Awesome, that's the one we want, ones we want. Ones like that. Yeah.
Beautiful.
That's a better eater. Ooh, don't you throw the hook on me. Hey, 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 hey.
That's a good one.
Yeah, that's not bad.
That'd be 4 or 5 pound, wouldn't it?
3 at least.
Yeah.
I don't think it'll be 4 or 5. A good eater.
Yeah.
Real nice little eater. I think we'll have that one for dinner.
Yep.
Awesome. Nice fat fish. Alright, we're just talking about going in. It's sort of 10:30 now. We plan to be back on shore by 11. And you know, the wind's sort of come up a little bit and that. We're just talking about going in. I said, oh, should we just go in? Yeah, we'll just go in. And I've just hooked this, like, just as I was saying, going in. So it's going to be a keeper too. Nice. Maybe we should have a few more flicks. Here we are. Well, that was a turn up for the books. Probably want to wind in and cast out the other side now we've turned around. Another nice little eating snapper. Okay, so we're just dragging our soft baits. We're this close to the beach, and we just made the call to go in again, and yeah, I've done it again, gone and hooked up. I don't know if this one's going to be a keeper or not. Here he comes. He's only little, I think. He might make keeper grade. He might. Broke off. Oh well, that's the end of that. Let's see what happened here. Oh, he broke off the thing. There's the hook eyes were a little bit rusty, so they would have been chafing in the loop. So it's chafed the loop through, and he's gone. Yeah, well, that's the end of that. We're back in. You saw us catch those fish. It was a bit of a funny one. We seemed to just not be able to hook them. We were getting lots and lots of bites, but just failing to convert. And then I lost that one at the side of the boat, and we lost a few that had sort of grabbed the bait and run off with it and then dropped them. So yeah, interesting little morning, good fun little session, but we'll leave it here and we'll see you next time. Cheers.